Another day, another dollar, unless you had a red day. I had a red day today, and it happened because I was trading fine. I was trading fine. I was following the rules, and sometimes the strategy just produces a red day. And that's called mathematics. That's not called you're bad. That's not called you're not good at this. It's not called anything like that. It's called mathematics. But today we had some good trades, and I took an extremely good trade today where I had a feeling that it was going to run way further than my target, and it ended up running way further than my target, and I captured that because I allowed for a runner. And let's go over that trade right now. It happened at 12:59 Central Standard Time. And you'll notice that at this trade, this is the 2-hour chart over here. 2-hour chart right here, 30-minute chart right here, 15-minute here, and then we have the 5-minute twins. Of course, these aren't charts. These are momentum indicators because we're just trying to find alignments in momentum. The 2-hour is going down heavily. So today, as the market even opened, we had a downward bias. So if we get opportunities to go to the downside, we definitely want to be paying attention to them. But that's neither here nor there. We're going to look at this setup right here. What happened at 12:19? We had a full alignment. Notice the 5-minute twins are increasing. And on the correct side. They're not on the red side and going up. They're on the correct side and going up. 15-minute, same thing. 15-minute is doing what it needs to be doing. Going up. 30-minute, same. So right here, we were selling off. Look, selling off. Selling off. I did fall for this one, which ended up being a loss, by the way, right here. I thought it popped up, but it really didn't pop up, and wasn't it. So that was a loss. And then, right here, we finally get a tick up. A nice clear tick up. And I literally captured... I literally took profit up here. Now, how did I know it was going to happen? How did I know it was going to run that much? I didn't. I knew that we were in a full alignment. The 5-minute was primed while this was selling off. If you see the execution time frame, the 1 minute or the 2 minute, if you see the execution time frame cooling down, charging, reloading, and you notice that everything else is ready going to the upside, not the 2-hour. We're not talking about the 2-hour. This is just extra context. And that's how you know you're in the midst of a potential huge trade. So you want to maybe have runners. You want to maybe trail a stop, or maybe you just want to size up a little bit. You need to be able to identify when the full alignments are going to occur. So let's play the game. Was there another full alignment that happened? Well, there was, and let's talk about it right now. Right here, the 5-minute twins are pulling to the upside. This 5-minute twin is not in the upside yet. It's about to be. Right now it's to the upside and increasing. So we wait for the momentum to shift on the execution time frame. Notice the momentum has been going down this whole time. It hasn't gone up yet, not once, but it starts to happen right here. See this? That's where it happens. That's where the momentum flips and alignment occurs. So you get the opportunity to take profit. You enter here at this candle length, at this distance. You put your stop loss down here. And then that's your profit. This is your profit right there. Now it might look small, but in the world of the futures market, that's a lot of money. So that's one full alignment that occurred today. That was at 11:44. Let's go over some other full alignments that occurred today, and then we're going to wrap up the video. Yep, there was one before. One over here. 30-minute going up, 15-minute going up. The 5-minute twins have now crossed. Look, this one has crossed over to the upside now. This would have been a loss right here. You would have entered this one, which I marked, and I took the loss. I definitely took the loss. And then the next one, the very next one that arrived right here, 934, that one was a win. So you see, this is the thing with doing 1-to-1 ratios. If you trade a 1-to-1 system, you only need to be right about 55 to 65% of the time. If you can maintain a 55 to 65% win rate, you're going to be just fine. Just take the next signal. Don't worry about anything. Just take the next signal. So your entry would be here, because we tick up right here. We tick up, going down, 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 down. Take this entry, and that was a loss. Okay, boom. That's another entry. So your entry would be at the close of the candle, right here where the candle finishes. Stop loss slightly below that candle or at the base of the candle. And you target a 1-to-1. It's as simple as that. The trade should last anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. If it goes any longer than 5 minutes, it could still play out, but the chances start diminishing. All right, did we get another opportunity today? The next opportunity, this one, watch, this one's going down. We don't want that. We want it going up in the direction of everything else. That was a potential entry right there. Now, were these an entry? You're probably wondering. Look, this went up. Was that an entry? No, this 5 minute is still going down. See, going down. We want it to hold and start pushing up. Hold, and start pushing up. Now it's pushing up a little bit. And look, lo and behold, the tick up. That was another opportunity right there. So it's all about just finding alignments and taking the 1-on-1s. Now, I really wanted to capture this today. Look at this, that crystal clear. I really wanted to capture this today, but it was hard for me to do so. I should have used the 42 blue EMA as a guide, and I should have used the 200 EMA as a guide as well. It was the easy read, to be honest. Playing back down to the VWAP. Very easy read. Should have done it. Let's look at the alignments that might have occurred here. So the 5 minute twins cross over into the red. Right now they're crossing into the red right here. This first sell-off occurs. We come up, we hit the previous day's low. Okay, previous day's low. We come up, consolidate around it, and we have a very aggressive sell-off away from that. Come back up, touch the 42 EMA, get really close to that critical level again, previous day's low. Come back down again. So this should have been the clear set, like right here should have been unmissable. That should have been easy based on the information that I just went over. Why should it have been easy? Well, look at the alignment. At 5 minutes in the red. The 2 hour has a major bias. It has some major context. Doesn't make any decisions for us, but it is there, and it is telling us to look for short opportunities. Look how strong the 2 hour data is, the momentum of the 2 hour. What am I trying to say? So right around here, you want to wait, because notice how it's consolidating around these EMAs. This 200 EMA, it's consolidating, and we're thinking short, because look, 15-minute EMA or 15-minute momentum is going down at this time. Hasn't crossed over yet, but everything's going down. And then look what happens. The 5-minute MACD starts to align to the downside. Notice it's not doing it now, it's pulling to the upside. That's not good. We want it to start pulling to the downside, which starts to happen here. Right as we're pulling away from these EMA lines, look at the 200 EMA. Look at how this is playing around with it. And as that prints, as that 5-minute MACD expands, the momentum starts to align. We just got the bounce off of this EMA. So that was an opportunity right there. Absolutely. Absolutely an opportunity. With all that being said, that was the trades from today and the recap for today, and I do hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Take care now.